This filter is used to protect the cold-headed pump from particulate. If the particulate builds up in that filter, it will reduce the efficiency of the pump and may cause the analyzer not to work correctly. Firstly, turn the power off. We then need to remove the 9 M4 screws from the case. Gently remove the front cover and push it slightly to the right. The filter is located here. To remove it, you will need a 7/16 spanner. So basically, hold the elbow, undo the 7/16 nut, pull the filter out, remove the silicone pipe from the other end of the filter and replace it with a new filter. To replace the filter, reconnect the silicone pipe. Please note that sometimes there's a metal clip on there holding the silicone pipe to the filter. To remove that, you squeeze the clip with a pair of pliers. Refit the filter into the top nut. The nut has an O-ring seal on it, so there's no ferrule on it. Retighten the nut. Once the filter's been refitted or replaced, gently slide the cover back, ensuring that no cables are fouling on the pump or the side fan. Refit the 9 screws. Once fitted, the analyzer is ready for use.